Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, in this opportunity, we are going to present about 7 tips for how to read faster and still understand what you read. First, let me introduce our group members. First member is Bunga Indahyani, second one is Mesya Rahmania, and the last member is Winda Rawilta Putri. So, the first tips for how to read faster is preview the text. To preview a text, scan it from the beginning to the end, paying special attention to headings, subheadings, anything in bold or large font, and bullet points. To get a big picture understanding, skim the introductory and concluding paragraph. Try to identify transition sentence, examine any images or graph, and figure out how the author structured the text. Second tips is plan your attack. Strategically approaching attack will make a big difference in how efficient you can decase the material. First, think about your goals. What do you want to learn by reading the material? Jot down some questions you want to be able to answer by the end. Then, determine the author's goal in writing the material based on your preview. Similarly, vary your plan of attack based on the type of material you are about to read. If you're going to read a dense, legal, or scientific text, you should probably plan to read certain passage more slowly and carefully than you would read a novel or magazines. The next slide will present by Winda Rawilta Putri.
3. Be mindful. Reading quickly with good comprehension requires focus and concentration. Minimize external noise, distraction, and interruption, and be mindful when you talk, wonder as you read. If you notice that you are fantasizing about the next meal rather than focusing on the text, gently bring your mind back to the material. Many readers read a few sentences passively without focus, then spend time going back and rereading to make sure they understand them. According to the author Tim Ferriss, this habit called regression will significantly slow you down and make it harder to get a big picture view of the text if you carefully and attentively approach a text. You'll quickly realize if you're not understanding a section, saving you time in the long run. 4. Don't read every word. To increase your reading speed, pay attention to your eyes. Most people can scan in 1.5-inch chunks, which depending on the font size and type of text, usually comprise 3 to 5 words each. Rather than reading each word individually, move your eyes in a scanning motion, jumping from a chunk of 3 to 5 words to the next chunk of word. Take advantage of your peripheral vision to speed up around the beginning and end of each line, focusing on blocks of words rather than the first and last words. Pointing your finger or a pen at each chunk of word will help you learn to move your eyes quickly over the text, and it will encourage you not to subfocalize as you read. Subfocalization, or silently pronouncing each word in your head as you read, will slow you down and distract you from the author's main point.
And then the next point will present by Bunga Indahyani.
Number 5. Don't read every section. According to Dartmouth College Academic Skills Center, it's an old-fashioned myth that students must read every section of a textbook or article. Unless you're reading something extremely important, skip the sections that aren't relevant to your purpose. Reading selectively will make it possible for you to digest the main points of many texts, rather than only having time to fully read a couple. Number 6. Write a summary. Your job shouldn't end when you read the last word on the page. After you finish reading, write a few sentences to summarize what you read and answer any question you had before you started reading. Did you learn what you were hoping to learn? By spending a few minutes after reading to think, synthesize the information, and write what you learned, you will solidify the material in your mind and have better recall later. If you are a more visual or verbal learner, draw a mind map summary or tell someone what you learned. Number 7. Practice time runs. Approaching a text strategically, reading actively, and summarizing effectively takes practice. If you want to improve your reading speed, use a timer to test how many words or pages per minute you can read. As you are able to read faster and faster, check in with yourself to make sure you're happy with your level of comprehension.
That's all from our group. Thank you.